Mawawala kaya tong acne scars at bulutong marks after CO2 laser treatment? Matagal nang gustong itry ng asawa ko tong procedure na to. Kaya this time, since it's long weekend, tinry na rin namin. Dito namin siya pinagawa sa Hermosa Amor at Vista Mall, Taguig. Before mag-start, pinapirma muna siya ng consent form. And then after, pumunta na kami sa procedure room. And then, nilinis na yung face niya. After linisin, nilagyan na ng anesthesia. And yung anesthesia is ibababad for around 45 minutes para sure na zero pain during bath. After 45 minutes, i-start na nila yung procedure. For those na walang idea kung ano yung CO2 treatment, ito yung treatment na tumutulong i-resurface yung skin and tinatarget niya yung deep acne scars at an every few seconds, tinatanong nila kung okay pa, kung may hapde or wala. Super attentive ng staff and ramdam mo talaga yung alaga deeper nila. Scars, 2 passes ng laser ang ginagawa para daw mas lalong ma-stimulate yung collagen underneath, and the whole procedure for this one took around 1 hour. After the laser, may konting redness pero super manageable lang. Again, no bleeding, no pain. Medyo mainit lang siya sa face daw, sabi ng
After
asawa
that,
ko. Lalagyan ng moisturizer. Then, yun na, tapos na. Ito pala, Bambi, yung before and after. So, you will see the difference kung paano yung redness.
if you have acne scars like this, please don't DIY or experiment on your
Always
face.
ask for professional help like Hermosa
They'll
Amor.
assess your skin first and give you the right treatment. Safe, effective, at affordable pa.
Don't worry, I'll update you sa healing journey, kung gaano kabilis mag-fade yung marks, and kung effective talaga yung for acne. Follow us for part 2. Yun lang, bye!